Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you will download and install the VirtualBox for your Mac operating system which are using the M1, M2 and M3 chips. Open the VirtualBox website and open the download section. And you can scroll down the page because this is the latest version, which is basically not supporting the M1, M2, M3 devices. So you need to scroll down and you will see the VirtualBox older builds, and the latest one is the 7.0. You need to install this one, download this one, and then you need to scroll down and you can find the VirtualBox 7.0.8, which is supporting M1 and the M2 host. You can download this, open the file, and you can just double click on the first icon and you can start the installation. So now you can open the VirtualBox and it is ready to use.